Welcome to Fun with Brothers! My name is Jay. My name is O. Today, we'll do making slime! Yay! Let's start! Inside the box is 2 magical glues, there is 1 clear glue, and there is 1 metallic glue. Metallic glue. So now let's make it. And these are the spatulas, and this is the bowl. We're going to make slime. So now the first step is to get the bowl and these ingredients. The next step is to open this whole bottle and dump it in. Whoa! Can you squeeze and show some muscle? Yeah! Magical liquid, that will be the next step. And the next step after the magical liquid is to stir it really good, and then it will be ready and we'll show you. Hide some cool toys inside it. I'm using a spoon to squeeze it all out. The next step is to open this whole magical liquid and drop it in. It's a little bit hard for me. I might need Om's help to do this. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Now we have to keep mixing. Now we'll mix them one by one until the slime is formed. It's like a spider web. Whoa, sticky things. A spider web I just saw. Whoa, spider web. Whoa! Hello! Look at this. A mound of sticky slime. I can't find the good stretchy. And I got it from Christmas. Who wants to eat slimy donuts? I don't. Because I don't want to eat slime, but I like to play with slime. On the string! Yay! Whoa. That'll make something funnier. Stretchy string. Stretch. Here is your noodle! Here is your noodle! Longer than my head. Yes. So we had hidden 12 coins inside the slime. Whoa, I found you! Oh, yeah! Ah! You got coins. Oh, yeah. You got coins. You got some of them. Stretch. Stretch. Go fish. Don't pull it too much. I don't do this. I collected coins in there. 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10? Where are the other two? Did we find them? I have 11. One seems to be lost in here, and it's a dime. Ooh. Whoa. There's a dime, quarter, nickel, dime, nickel, 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 and another nickel, and a dime, quarter, and quarter. Here are all our money. Let's count how much it is. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 160 cents. We fished 4 quarters, 4 nickels, and 4 dimes.